Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Now I'm doing an unboxing video and I'm doing the flexible tripod. You realize that this tripod can work on your phone and camera. Let's deep dive into it. Ah, ah, wee.
So none of this shit has no personality. His lens is fogging up. Oh, really want the sweetest. I can't tell you how many times I hoped and prayed that he would come back to me. But I have to take my chance. Of course, bringing me back, of course. You know it.
Look, it works. This works a lot on my camera. Don't forget to like for more.